Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing one that I always kind of like thought of, but never actually thought I'd like really ever do it. I don't know if this has already been done. You guys already know what I'm going to be doing. You guys saw the title, but I thought it would be a good and cute idea to take my cat everywhere that I go for the day. I'm sure there's videos of people like taking their cats places, but I just randomly thought of this in my bed. But as you guys may know, I love my cat, and she's sometimes in the back of my videos. You guys just saw her. She's on my intro, and I would just love to bring her everywhere that I go today. Obviously we're going to be doing like reasonable places. Like I'm not going to be taking her anywhere crazy like an amusement park. And I just want to include a quick disclaimer that this is not going to harm or hurt my animal or my cat in any way, shape, or form. It is very unsafe to have your indoor pets go outside without supervision, but she is going to be next to me. I've taken her out a couple of times, like just if I went to go get some gas or something, like really quick trip, and she seems to react pretty well outside, so I don't think she'll put up a hassle. If I do notice that she is starting to get uncomfortable outside, start shaking or anything like that, I will bring her back inside obviously and make sure that she is okay. Also, she does not interfere or affect with my driving. She actually just sits on the seat so nicely, and she doesn't like walk around. Like it's not like harmful to her in any way. I drive very slow when she's in the car, and people take their animals outside with them in the car all the time. I did buy a cat hoodie, and I will show you guys that right now. Okay, so this is the cat hoodie, and when I ordered this hoodie, I did not realize that it was for a kitten. And my cat, I don't know if you can see her, but she is quite big. Let me just show you guys. Look at this, you guys. She low-key chilling though. It's okay, we're not gonna put you in that today. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna go with that. We'll just do a leash. So I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'll show you guys my first task when I'm ready to take her outside, put her into my car, and drive wherever I decide that first task is. So our first task is actually to go pick up Darian at 10:10. I'm gonna get him for his lunch break, and then we're probably gonna get some food. I have my cat right here. She's sitting nicely on my lap. I also got the collar on her, and it might look a little bit tight, but it's not. I promise you I can get 2 fingers through. It's just because she has lots of fur. I also don't play music when I'm in the car with her, just because I don't want like the bass or anything to be too loud. I know cats hear like better than us, so yeah, we're just gonna have a nice, peaceful, quiet drive. So we're now here, and we're just gonna wait for him to get out. She seemed to be pretty amused by the windshield wipers as we were driving. It's really good that I have leather seats because I just cleaned my car, and her fur is like everywhere. She actually seems very amused, like she's, you know, scoping out. Curious. You should be glad that I'm getting you out, being cooped up in the house all day. Also, you might hear me call her Poo-Poo. That's her nickname. I call her that sometimes, but her real name is Snickers. Poo-Poo, get up. Show the camera some love. Oh. He's coming. Snickers always goes crazy whenever she sees him. Like she'll start like meowing like crazy. He sees the camera.
You smell. Get off me.
Oh
No.
my God.
Get her.
Stop. Can we get a backup? I need to get a harness for her, just a little bit more safety and protection.
She doesn't go outside.
That's what I'm saying. We need to get her used to it.
Yeah. She freezes when we go outside. You're
You're gonna go at Petco. You've never been in a store before. You've been in the car before, but I've never taken you to the store.
Hey, Trooper.
Oh my God, is it illegal to drive with a cat? Oh my God.
Yeah, he's looking over here.
Are you serious? Darian, stop.
You can't drive no pets.
Are you serious? I see people with their animals all the time. Oh my God. Ah! Hide the cat. Hide her. Literally. There's a pet. There's a pet. Wait, hold on. Just hold on. I've never seen her with another dog. Leashed pets are always welcome. Lucky for this one, she's on a leash. So it feels so weird bringing my cat with me. Like this is weird.
Which one do you want, Poo-Poo?
Pick one. Oh, no. We're not gonna climb on the shelf.
Oh.
She's scared. It's okay, you're just not used to. Oh, let's see where she goes.
Oh my gosh, sounds like a human. Pick her up. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Are you literally on the bed? No? Look at her tail. Oh, she's scared. She's just not used to it. Aww. It's okay. Go ahead. She's gonna be meowing a lot just because she's not used to this. I never took her. Oh, you like that one? Oh, her tail is not puffy anymore. She likes it.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we're not gonna buy a bed because I have before. We haven't used it. The only problem is that these are marked by like pounds, and I don't know how much she weighs. So we couldn't find any that were her size. Like I tried about 5 on, and I found one that fit decently, but the tightest setting still was really loose. So I feel like this is still the best bet. Maybe they'll have cat collars here. Oh, duh.
Cool. Do you have to go to the bathroom?
What if she actually went in there? Is that what that's for?
No, it's a ticket. Like.
Oh.
Cool. You having fun?
Whoa. So the leashes and harnesses aren't really categorized by size or weight. It just says for kittens and for cats. So I guess like most cats are around the same size, which I guess kind of makes sense because like dogs have different sizes, like big dogs and small dogs, and like cats are just like cats. So I'm gonna give her this one. It's plain gray, really cute.
Oh, I didn't even see you guys had a little cat.
Look at him. Oh, that's pretty.
My god, you're so big.
Thank you. She did so good. And I ended up getting this for her. It also comes with a matching leash, which is perfect. This looks like very unnatural. Like it looks like it's like choking her.
There's
but
room.
It's not. There's lots of room. So, yeah, she's just not used to harnesses. So like if she's sitting like this, that's why. All right, so now our next task is to go order some food from the drive-thru. We're gonna go get McDonald's.
Hey, how are you doing?
Hi, good, how are you?
I'm good. What can I get you?
Can I have a McDouble, add mac sauce,
Okay.
hotcakes with sausage,
Okay.
and that'll be it.
Can I just come to the first window?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, nope.
Oh. Look cute. Boy or girl?
Girl.
Her face looks strange. She's like different.
My whole lifetime, I've heard poo-poo hiss maybe once.
I know, she's such a good cat. Like, I love her so much. She's so sweet and good.
What about the hotcakes and sausage? Yeah.
We're gonna park right here.
Alright, we need to wait now because the hair's gonna be flying over.
I'm gonna put her in the back while we're eating. You're okay back there. Come here.
There's hair everywhere. I'm getting mad.
I'm gonna move this so she can lay down and be comfortable. Now she has to hold back to herself. Oh no, you're not getting any of that. You can't have that. I'm picking from the top of my bun, so there's no like sauce or anything in it. Oh, she thinks I'm gonna... I can't give you my whole bun. Oh. That's enough. I don't want you getting sick. So we're gonna finish eating and then I'm gonna take him back to school. And then I'm gonna go home and probably just chill out there for a little bit. I didn't get any drinks, so I'm actually gonna go to Starbucks for a drink because I wanna try out that like mini puppuccino. It's like the tiniest cup of whipped cream for a dog. But I looked it up and it said cats can have it too, so I'm gonna order for her. Hi, can I have a grande pink drink?
Grande pink drink?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Do you guys do that like puppuccino thing?
Yeah.
Alright, can I have one of those?
You got it. Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
See you at the window.
Thank you. After this, we're probably gonna head home just because she's been out for a while.
How's it going? Oh my
Good.
gosh, you have a cat. Rachel, there's a cat.
Oh my goodness, hello!
There you go, and I'll get the cover with cream.
Alright, thank you. I'm really surprised that like cats can have whipped cream. Alright, so I honestly don't think she's gonna eat it. Oh. Alright, maybe if I put some like on my finger. Psst. Snickers. Oh, she doesn't want it at all. I got it just for you. I think she just wants to go home at this point, which honestly, I would too. Like, if I stayed inside all day for my life, and I came outside for like over an hour, I'd be like, no, bring me home. So that's probably what we're gonna do. So I'm now home, and it has been quite an eventful day. I did only end up going a couple of places just because while I was doing my research on like if I could get arrested while taking my cat into Walmart, there actually are a lot of non-pet friendly stores, which I would never really know because obviously like I never looked into it. But after looking it up, like there wasn't many places I could go anyways. So it is now around 4 o'clock, and I started this around 10 o'clock when I picked up Darian. And then we got some food. I came home and then went to Starbucks and stuff like that. She wasn't really feeling the outdoors today, and I don't blame her. So I'm just gonna let her, you know, take a breather and rest inside for the rest of the night. I guess that was it for this video then. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you are a cat or a dog person. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.